Now, let's try more example. Okay, so mental math tayo ha. O, number 1. So, the lengths, we have 9, 11, and 12. Okay, kunin lang natin yung A and B. Automatic anak, kapag yung A plus B is greater than C, probably yung remaining sum, check na rin yun. Iyon lagi yung titingnan natin, yung pinakamababa at yung sumunod na number. O, ano yung pinakamababa sa number 1? 9 and 11. So, 9 plus 11. 20 is greater than 12?
Yes.
Yes. So therefore, we can form a triangle. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. Next, example number 2. What is the value of A? 5. Value of B? 5 plus 8? 13 is greater than 15? Okay, therefore, we cannot form a triangle. Ayun lang yan. Next, number 3. What is A? What is B? 5 plus 7? 12 is equal to 12. Yes or no? Oh, very good. Next, number 4. What is A? 23. Okay, 16. Pinakamababa. A is 16 and B is 23. So, 16 plus 23? 39 is greater than 35? Yes. So, therefore, we can form a triangle. And for the last one, what is A? 1. What is B? 1 plus 99 is equal to 100.